Hello everyone, another quick tutorial. I've created the new video to complement a video that I have created before. And actually I'm just being lazy. I didn't want to create the whole thing over again. Perhaps in the future I will do that. Sorry about that. That was the ice machine. It was not my stomach growling. Anyway, you can see I'm here in my Fort Hays Gmail. And while I'm talking about it, I also want to point out that here's my other Gmail, which I don't use. Please don't use this one. But in showing this to you real quick, if you see your personal Gmail up in here, then you're going to have problems because sometimes they override one another, especially if it's the first one you've opened up. When you do anything with Fort Hays, especially in the courses, check this on a regular basis and make sure that you don't have your personal Gmail in here, because it will create some frustrations. Okay. All right. So enough about that. All right. What we're going to do is going to eliminate some email chatter back and forth. Been thinking about doing this for a while. And after a really long semester with 70-something comps, I'm getting ready to jump into the summer with about 40 comps and half the time to do it, then this video is warranted. Okay, so what I'm asking you to do is, let's see, wrong. Come here and click on settings. And we're going to settings again. Google's great about being redundant. And we're going to go take a look at our signature line. Which is right here. I've got a signature. All right. So, and the video to complement this is how to add this to your Fort Hays Gmail. It doesn't have to be quite as fancy as mine. I want to be able to read it and see whether or not you are non-degree or masters, because how I respond to your questions, which is the email I send you when you haven't done this, is which program are you in, non-degree or masters? If you can add this information at the bottom of your email, then that's how an additional email, and also increases the time that I can respond to you in a more timely fashion. Okay, so I'm going to assume you've done this, and you've told me, many of you put in here that you're fifth grade teacher, PE teacher, whatever. That's beautiful. It tells me a little bit more about you. But I also want to see masters or non-degree. Okay, here's what I'm asking you to do in addition to that. I want you to put your a link to your ePortfolio, because very often you're asking me questions about your ePortfolio, and just like not knowing if you're non-degree or masters, I say, oh, can you send me a link to your ePortfolio? Well, if we can add this down here at the bottom, then I don't have to do that anymore. And again, the concept is speeding up the amount of time that I can respond to your need. All right, so I'm going to just type in ePortfolio. That sure is small. And I'm going to make it bigger. Maybe not that big. Large. Okay. I'm going to put color so I can see it. Make sure that's in color. Okay. So now I'm going to highlight it. And then I'm going to come up here and click on link. Okay. That's what it says. All right. I just happen to have the new Building Leadership Practicum ePortfolio that you don't have yet. I'm still revising it. But let's say this is yours or this is mine. I'd come up here and let's see, I want the first page. Oh, that other one was prettier. I need to make that the home page. So we come right here, click on this, copy it, go back into our email, and we're going to type in or paste in the address, and we're also going to test it, make sure it works. Yep. Okay, we're going to click OK. And so now we're going to come down here and also click on Save Changes. All right, so I'm going to open up email. I'm going to click Compose. There it is. Okay, so every time I send an email out, a link to my ePortfolio is there, and all I have to do is click on it. So that's what I want you to do. I want you to get in all your fun stuff about you, tell them what program you're in, master's or non-degree endorsement, followed by a link to your ePortfolio right here. All right, thank you very much.